Myself Suraj Jadhav. Today we are talking about uh, types of the operators and ternary operator. Operator in Java. The Java provides many type of operators which can use according to the need. They classified based on the functionality they provide. Some of the types are first one is the arithmetic operators. They are used to perform simple arithmetic operations on primitive data types. The first one is a multiplication, division, module, additions, subtraction. Second one is a unary operators. The unary operators need only one operands. They are used to increment, decrement, or negative value. Unary minus used to negative values. Unary plus indicating the positive value. It performs an automatic conversions to int when the type of its operands is byte, char, or shorts. This is called the unary numeric promotions. Plus plus increment operator is for the incrementing the value by 1. There are two varieties of the increment operators. First one is a post increment. The value is used for computing the result and then increment. Second one is a pre increment. The value is increment first and then result is computed. Mm, Decrement operator used for the decrement and the value by 1. There are two varieties of the decrement operator. A post decrement, the value is used for computing the result and their decrements. And second one is a pre decrement. The value is decremented first and then result is computed. Logical not operator used for the in inverting a boolean value. A second Another one is a assignment operator. Assignment operator used to assign the value to any variables. It is right to left associated with, that is value given on the right hand side of the operator. There is assigned to variables on the left and therefore right hand side value must be declared before using. It should be constant. The relational operators, these operators are used to check an irrelational like equality, greater than, less than. The return boolean result after the comparison and extensively used in looping statement as well in conditional if else statement. General format is the variable relational operator value. Some of the relational operators are equal to. Equal to are used for return true if the left hand side is equal to the right hand side. Not equal to, return true if the left hand side is not equal to right hand side. Less than, return true if the left hand side is less than right hand side. Less than equal to, return true if the left hand side is less than or equal to right hand side. Greater than, return true if the left hand side is greater than the right hand side. Greater than equal to, return true if the left hand side is greater than equal to right hand side. The logical operator, the logical operator are used to perform the logical and the logical or operation. That is the function similar to and get and or get in digital electronics. One thing keep in mind is the second condition is not evaluated if the first one is false. That is, it has a short circulating effect used to extensively to test or for several conditioner for making decision. Condition operation are and logical and the return true when the both condition are true. Logical or the return true if the least one is condition is true. Now we're talking about ternary operator. Ternary operator is a shorthand version of if else statement. If has three operands and hence the name ternary. General form is conditions if true and if false. Now we're talking about bitwise operators. These operators are used to perform manipulation of individual bit of number. They can use to with integer types. They are used when performing updates and query operations of the binary extended tree. And bitwise and operators return bit by bit and input value. Bitwise or operator return bit by bit or the bit input value. The bitwise XOR operator return bit by bit or XOR no input value. Now we're talking about shift operator. These operators are used to shift the bits of the number left or right, thereby multiplying or dividing the number by 2 respectively. They can use when they have multiple or divide a number by 2 in the general form. Number shift of a number of place to shift. Left shift operator, the shift the bits of the numbers to left hand, the false on 0 left as a result. Similar as the multiplying number with the same power of. The sign right shift operator, they shift the bits of the number to the right and the false 0 onwards left as a result. The leftmost bit depend on the sign of initial number, the similar effect as a dividing number of with the same power. Last one is the instant of operator. Instance of operator used to type checking. It can be used to test an object of an instant class and a subclass or an interface. This is the operator in the Java. Thank you so much.